Dude. What was that? What was that, man?
Why are you driving in the fucking middle of the road?
Alright, first off, calm down. You almost just nailed me.
I didn't nail you.
Dude, you have to drive on the right. Have you ever ridden a motorcycle?
You need to get out of the middle of the road.
You don't know how to ride a motorcycle. That's how you. You don't.
I own a Ducati. You.
Dickhead. As an adult, you should learn how to grow up. You're acting like an asshole. I'm not gonna argue with you. You're a jackass. I wish you nothing but the best, man. Have a great day. Yeah, go f yourself. Go f yourself, fat shit.
It's just your start. No biggie. It kind of sounds like this. Radiator leak. Every time I let off the gas, it makes this kind of
shit.
Like that. Just like that.
It's just your island. It's a bit rough.
From transmissions to tune-ups.
Title known as the Stellar Exodus. This marks the time when humanity made its first colonies on other worlds, and also beyond the solar system. These initial colonies were reached using ships that were still only capable of sublight speeds and were restricted by this, as well as our developing but limited knowledge of building these vast-scale ships. When these ships reached their destination, though, they would be then slowly.
Yo, you guys realize you almost hit me, right? It was the other way, you serious?
Yeah, it was on the left side, yeah, there's no turn to the left.
I was going in someone's driveway, I'm delivering pizza. There was a driveway to the left. I was pulling into a driveway.
Come on now, I live around here.
I was pulling into a driveway.
There's no driveways to the left.
There was a driveway there. I could pull it up on Google Maps and show you. I'm looking for the address. Don't fucking hit people. You guys are hilarious, you know that? You guys are fucking hilarious.
What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck was that?
So this video basically explains itself. However, I do not know why he ever beeped at me. I was following all the traffic laws to a T. I was not speeding. I was not going too slow. I was using my turn signals. All I was doing was turning right to go into 7-Eleven. There was no reason for him to beep at me, and then he yelled something that the camera did not pick up, which is why I slammed on my brakes.
Alright, here we go. First day with my camera.
And this is where he's holding the badge out of his window.
Fuck you! Fucking peeping at me. Oh, show me a badge. You're a fucking loser.
Now, at this point, he's trolling around the side here, yelling, "Do you want to go to jail?" is what he said a couple times. I just told him the GTFO, and that's the end of that. I want to know why people have to act like this on the road. I'm just trying to go to work and stop at 7-Eleven on the way. There's no reason to be honking at me and then flashing what could be a badge, what probably is fake, out of your whatever Lexus, I think, with tinted windows. There's no reason to be flashing your badge, and then doing this is just ridiculous.